Hello, welcome everyone. So today let us start with your online classes with the part 3 breeds of buffalo, which comes in unit 8 diary, 6.7 paper 7 applied zoology, 6th semester zoology syllabus prescribed by the Tumkur University for BSc course. Okay, so we'll start with the buffalo breeds. So first breed of a buffalo is Nagpuri. It is also called as Ilichpuri. Okay, it is from central India. It is from the central Indian. It is central Indian. Okay, originated from Vidarbha region of Maharashtra, India. It is one of the best buffalo breed in India. It is one of the best buffalo breed. Okay, it is very smaller and lighter and lighter body compared to the other buffalo breeds which is found in North India. Body color is generally black with white patches on their face, legs, and tail tips. Only you can see the white colored patches on the face, legs, and the tail tip. Other than that, the body is generally black. Horns are long, flat, curved, and bend backward nearly up to the shoulders with tips pointed. Tips are very pointed and it bends backward. Okay, and it is almost touching a shoulder. Okay, so ee tara U shape alli it is going backward and touching a shoulder, and the point is tipped. Okay, from the base it is broader, and while reaching a tip it is sharp. Average height of a male buffalo is around 145 centimeter and female buffalo is around 135 centimeter. Average body weight of a male buffalo is 525 kilograms and female buffalo attains an weight of about 425 kilograms. Average lactation period of the female buffalo is around 286 days, and the female buffalo yields around 1039 kilograms of milk per lactation. Okay, when it gives birth to one calf. Okay, and that period of lactation which is needed for the nourishment of its calf is about is about 286 days, and in that 286 days it will give you a milk of 1039 kgs. Okay, kgs or liters, both are same actually. Okay, and then the milk has a fat content of about 8.25. It withstands extreme climatic condition of 47 degrees Celsius or centigrade. Usually ಇದು ತುಂಬ high temperature regions ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ it will be there. Okay, you have seen usually it will be there in the water area. Okay, where you have like muddy soil, rainy soil ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ usually. Why? Because it temperature will be more because to overcome that high temperature it will search for the cooler water areas and be there. And male buffalo are used for draught purpose, okay, in the agricultural fields and all, but it works very slowly when compared to the cattle bull, male bull. Okay, this is Nagpuri buffalo, which is seen commonly in almost all the Indian parts. And the second species, or I can say breed, is Surti. It is a dairy buffalo breed from Gujarat in India. Dairy buffalo breed means it is raised only for the production of the milk. It is medium sized buffalo. Okay, and body is rusty brown color or silver gray in color. Okay, head is very fairly broad. Okay, it is broad compared to your first breed and long with convex shape. Shape is convex. Okay, at the top between the horns you can see convex shape. Then horns are sickle shaped and flat. Then horns grow in a downward and backward direction, and then upwards at the tip, forming a hook like structure. Usually it is like round comma shape or hook like structures. White markings are there on the forehead, legs, and the tail tips. Okay, females have well developed finely shaped udder. You know what is udder? It is the mammary glands present in a female, which is having 4 or 6 teeth, which is used to suck the milk by the calves. Okay, so between the hind legs you can see a very finely shaped udder present. Okay, which is used to which for the production of the milk, which helps for the nourishment of the newly grown up, delivered calves. Okay, then height of the male buffalo is around 130 centimeter and female buffalo is around 125 centimeters. Male of that particular buffalo weighs around 500 kgs and female weighs around 400 kgs, and female yield 1500 to 2000 kg of milk per lactation, and the lactation period is around 311 days. The milk has fat content of about 7 to 75%, less than the less than this Nagpuri breed. Then it has docile temperature or temperament. What does this docile temperament means? It is very easy to handle by the humans. It is very easy to be domesticated. Okay, it is not like wild or very rough towards the humans to use. Okay, we can use it for agriculture purpose while milking and all. It will be very docile. In the sense, it will be very friendly with the domesticated peoples, okay, who are domesticating it actually. So this is about the breed, and this is the picture of Surti buffalo. Okay, so these are the two different breeds which you have studied. So let me tell you once again what we have studied in today's class. We have started with the buffalo breeds, and we studied about the first breed called as Nagpuri or Ilichipuri. It is from central India and has been originated from Vidarbha region of Maharashtra. Okay, and it has high fat content. This is Nagpuri buffalo, and next is Surti. It is a dairy buffalo breed which is used for the production of the milk, and it gives you more milk compared to your Nagpuri breed, and its lactation period is also more, but fat content is less, and it is having docile temperament. Okay, so we have studied these two buffalo breeds. In the next part, we'll start with the diseases of a dairy farming, diseases related to cattle and buffaloes, which usually affects the dairy farming. Okay, with this I will be stopping today's class. So thank you, students.